So I'm really impressed with Olympus right now. Where this camera here just came back from repairs and for free. The second time it went into repair, the first time what happened was that the screen broke and in Cuba and they repaired it, and now it came back from here later. So let's see. Just trying to cut these things off. And I mean, it got banged up really good. This time the bridge for the battery, the lock broke and it got smashed. So here it is, back to me. Sealed in there, and from Olympus. Great. Battery compartment latch is broken, will not close anymore. Replace battery door, back cover grip, main seal body, body rings, camera pass pressure test, firmware to date, tested and clean. Wow. I have to admit, really good service from Olympus. The camera will be 1 year old, October 7th. So Olympus, man, you guys really stood up to your name. Where, I mean, the camera did fall, and I guess that it fell at an angle. It broke. So I'm really impressed with that.